VEKA is the worldwide leading company in producing PVC window profiles. We maintain about 40 different sites on 4 continents. Different business demands come into our department all the time. The requests in China are different than, for example, in Germany. We have to use different products to get the best for everyone. The company is working with VMware products since 2004. They were really early adapters. We started with the data center part, then we continued with virtual machines.
We used SAP Afaria. We had a few proof of concepts to take a look which products could do the job better. And by far, Workspace ONE was the platform to support most of the devices that we use at the moment. What we liked most about Workspace ONE was the fact that the first initial setup was very easy. I did it in, I think, half an hour and could enroll my first device. The efficiency of Workspace ONE helps me to support users, show them what they can do with their devices. I can get a little bit deeper into functions that I want to deploy, but otherwise I wouldn't have time to do so. We're in better shape. I recently got a call that a device couldn't connect to the Wi-Fi properly, and instead of asking the person to go into settings and telling me about the device information, I just looked up the device, gave our network colleagues the information they needed, and the problem was solved in 3 minutes. The user satisfaction is so important because if you have users that don't like what you do on their devices, then you have a big problem. Workspace ONE is transparent. The user sees what data I collect. They get an overview of what I provide, such as Wi-Fi configuration. Comdivision supported us during the initial setup. They are the best on the field with VMware Workspace ONE and could really guarantee that everything that we set up is just clean and running.
Comdivision, they have an expert for every single field. And we can trust and rely on them whenever we need some information about new technologies. They know exactly how our company is working so that they can give us the information we really need. We are already the leading company and we want to keep that value. Further acquisitions will happen in the future. The company will grow and we need to be ready for that.